Hi, my name is Janine Grigg. This is day 2 of the challenge. It's August 6th, 2008, and today I've been thinking in circles. I have a tendency to wander through my day, through my mind, through my thoughts. I'm very excited about learning how to work with the law. Personal growth has been something that has been a part of my life for a really long time. I came from a home where I learned more what not to do than what to do. So I've always been sort of looking for that way to become a better person, to overcome things, to, achieve more in life. I was never really taught to, I was always a dreamer, but I was always told my dreams were stupid and whatever. So it's been something that I've been working on for a really long time, especially since I have started my business. Within the last 6 months, I've been reading a lot of books, working on a lot of things, and some days I feel like I'm getting somewhere and other days I don't. Today is one of those days where I don't. I'm trying really hard not to be disappointed. I've been trying to, attract people with my mind like magnets, and I don't want to say that it hasn't been working because I know I'm not supposed to say that, but I know it will work soon, and that I know things are going to get better, and I'm trying to just think about the future and not think about today and yesterday, and so that's kind of what I've been going through lately. It's been sort of hard to wrap my head around some of the training materials. I've been very anxious to learn and understand, so I've been spending a really lot of time on it, and I've kind of been cheating a little and going ahead because I'm a little impatient. I kind of want to know it. I want to learn it and acknowledge it and understand it and apply it like now. So that's sort of the timeline I'm working on. So I'm working on patience, and also working on how to think more clearly and have a more clear definition of my day and what I need to be doing. I write out a lot of to-do lists. I very, very rarely get all of it done, partially because I probably expect too much of myself, and I don't even know if I can get all of that done in the hours of my day. But I try, and I know everything's going to be okay. I've always known that. I've been through much worse, but I'm trying to keep a smile on my face and work through it and work through the materials, and I'm really, really excited to see the results that this brings in my life, because it's something I really enjoy and very excited about, and I think I'm talking in circles again, but so yeah, that was my day. I'm hoping tomorrow is going to be a better day, and I'm trying to use my mind power, the universe, to run through me to make that happen. So I guess that's all. Thanks.